I've been trying to run like 1,000 businesses, and it's been just super difficult. And I've been making one big mistake. I show all these AI tools, but still I'm trying to do so much myself. So I've been really looking for ways that I can get things off of my plate and have AI handle them, free up some time, then I can focus on the different businesses that I have and actually make them successful. How it is now, I am the bottleneck for so many things. A lot of you have experienced that. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced me being a bottleneck in something that you are trying to do with me. The problem is I work really hard, but when I step away, I go eat or I spend some time with my kids and then everything is on halt. And that's where I'm trying to use AI to just keep going. Hey, I'm going to go take a little break, but I want you to keep working. And I'm guessing some of you are experiencing this in your own life. Let me know if you feel like you're running a one-person circus. 1 minute you're answering customer messages, then you're trying to figure out who wants to buy your stuff, then you're trying to think about, should I start a new side hustle? Just too much going on. So I found this AI product. It's called Pop.Store, and it basically gives you 4 AI employees. And not like just robot chatbots or something like that, but smart AI that can actually handle different parts of your business. And when Pop.Store started, they actually were intended to help influencers. So that's me. But just as they've evolved over time and they've created these AI employees, they found this is useful for almost anyone, especially if you have a business, if you have a side hustle, but you can use these to help your workflow get more done. So we're going to look at today's AI Echo, which is their employee who's kind of like a customer service rep that works 24/7. We're going to look at AI Chief, who's like a data analyst for your business. AI Creator Studio, which handles, photography and any visuals that you might need for your business. So I've been testing some of this stuff out. Just kind of wanted to give you a review, see if it's something that might help you and your workflows, your business. But real quick, if you're looking for ways to use AI, I have a free AI tools guide. I'll leave a link to that down below. Go check that out. Have my favorite resources in there. And who knows, you might see Pop.Store on there. All right, so let's look at how each of these works. So AI Echo, this handles Instagram and Facebook comments, which I get a lot of. It handles DMs. It gives responses. So you kind of fill out, I'm a 38-year-old. Did you know I'm 38? Do I look 38? Let me know in the comments. I'm a male AI side hustle YouTuber. Is that my title? From Lincoln, Nebraska. My favorite colors are blue. I am Caucasian. I don't know how to spell that. I think that's right. I speak English fluently. I actually speak a little Russian too. I'm an expert in AI, crypto, side hustles, entrepreneurship. I post about AI side hustles, AI tools, and passive income. I'm primarily I'm going to put computer person. My fans are mainly, how old are you guys? Let me know in the comments. I'd say 25. Then it connects to your social media, and then it'll start replying to DMs. And it uses pretty natural language. It kind of looks at who you are and responds how you would respond. So again, if I'm getting 40 DMs a day, a lot of them are spam too, which this just will reply to those, and it just takes it off of my to-do list. But people asking questions at 2 a.m. when I'm not online, how do I do this? And it replies to them. So, and you can see how this would be very useful. If you're a local business, you want to respond to people right away. You want to respond to people while they're thinking about you. If they're looking at your gym and thinking, hey, I want to join your gym. It'd be nice if they got a DM back immediately. So check out AI Echo. But the second is AI Chief. And this is kind of like a business analyst for your business. But it'll look at your followers and look at the data it has for your company. And you can ask it like how many community members like fashion and things like that. It'll go do some research on your audience. So super helpful for me as an influencer to figure out, okay, where's my audience from? How many men versus women follow me? And it helps kind of direct your content, helps you direct your product offerings, but helps you instantly know, okay, I should make a landing page for this. A big chunk of my audience is this. You get all these features, and then you get a landing page with just everything about you. Like mine, I have my YouTube stuff. I have different, lead magnets that I have, all my contact information, all my social media, and you get this link that you can send to people. So it's an easy way for people just to get access to you, kind of like a business card, but more digital. So my honest opinion, I like the landing page a lot, as I might use this as my new business card. I really like the AI Chief feature where you can just get information. It's kind of like a business analyst for you. Creator Studio definitely could save you time, but I'll put a link down in the description. Go ahead and try it out. At least get your Pop.Store set up, your landing page set up, and just see if you like it. Start with that, sign up, start with that, it's free. And then start talking around with AI Chief and just see if that's useful for you as well. But if you like AI tools, you like me reviewing AI tools, please subscribe. Appreciate you guys very much. God bless you all and have a great rest of your day.